All right, a little bit more of a complicated class kick where we are going to have movable pictures or movable words. So I am going to use the Dolch 95 nouns. All right, and on this page, I am going to say, about try to the matching word. Oops. Make it a little bit smaller. Okay, drag the picture to the matching word. So I am going to put the word apple there, baby. Okay, I know those are some of the words. Now, I want to get pictures that can be moved. I want to be able to put all the pictures down here in the bottom, and I want the students to drag it next to the word that matches with it. So I need to go get the pictures. I'm going to Google Images. I like an apple. This one looks great. I am clicking with both fingers. Actually, here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to do the snipping tool. So you are going to, on a laptop, you're going to hit Windows plus Shift plus S. And then we're going to grab a picture of the apple. Okay. Then I'm going to go to Manipulative, and I'm going to go find my apple. There it was. And this is actually still going to let me snip again. So if you don't like the first snip, you can trim it down, or you could just say next. So I want an apple. Sometimes it comes out gigantic. All right. So I'm going to put an apple down here. I also need a picture of a bear. So I'm looking for a picture of a bear. This guy looks great. Windows Shift S. Grab a picture of this fella. And then I'm going to look for it to add my picture. There it is. Looks good. Looks good. I could go get all the pictures before and then just keep going, add another, and add pictures. I'm doing it one at a time. No right or wrong there. If you know your word list and you know what you need, it makes sense to do it before. And then a baby. We'll do this little guy. Windows Shift S. Last kick, add manipulative. Now I gotta go look for my newest screenshot, which is always at the top. There we go. All right, so when the students come in, these will be movable parts and these words will not, and they will drag them. Now, what if I want to do the opposite? What if I want to have the words move? So the way we can do that is we can just do a copy image and then a Control V. It's thinking. This is when they come in gigantic. I just just have to grab a corner and make it smaller and smaller and smaller. I don't know why they come in so huge. All right, so I can do this. Probably would not do the same words over and over, but I can do copy image, paste. Another gigantic picture. Okay, so because I copied and pasted these are stuck on the worksheet. They're glued on. They are not movable. The only time things are movable is when we tell class kick there should be movable. So let's say I want to make the words movable. How do I do that? Let me show you what I've been doing. I have the words I might want over here. I'm going to do my snipping. So Windows Shift S. And I'm snipping this rectangle with my words in it. Okay. Now I have words waiting for me. So I go to my manipulative. I'm going to go to my last screenshot with these. Now, just like when we do a worksheet, I only want the apple by itself. I want it to move alone. So I say next, next, add another. Baby. Next, next, add another. And then I need bear. I'm not doing the full thing for you guys to watch. You get the idea. Next, next, finish. And it's dropping my little movable parts. And sometimes I like to just kind of throw them in a messy pile in the middle. And then I could do a picture of an apple here, and this worksheet with some directions would be good to go. Hope that was helpful.